Hi guys, today on Divas Can Cook, we are making homemade hamburger buns. If you have never had a hamburger on a homemade hamburger bun, you are about to be so spoiled. They're so good, and of course they are easy to make, so let's go. Okay, first thing we're going to do is add a little bit of flour into my large bowl. Next I'm going to add in some sugar. You got to sweeten up just a little bit, just a tad bit. Then we're going to add some salt, alright? And next I'm going to add this yeast, Rapid Rise Instant Yeast, okay? Make sure you get that kind because the other kind, I used that when it took like 2 hours and I ain't got time for all that, alright? So the Rapid Rise is what you want. Dump that in there, give it a little whisk, and then we're going to add in some nice warm water, followed by a little bit of warm buttermilk. This buttermilk gives the bread kind of like a sourdough flavor, so if you don't like that flavor, go ahead and use regular milk, okay? Next, there's some melted butter going in, and last, I'm going to add my slightly beaten egg. I'm going to get my mixer here. I'm going to mix this around just to get everything combined, and I'm going to add in a little bit of my flour, my remaining flour, and I'm going to mix this around just until it begins to turn into a dough and I can no longer use my hand mixer anymore. Now I know I can change the the little mixer things and put in my dough hook, but I really like to do my doughs, my bread. I like to do all that by hand. So at this point, I'm going to stop using my mixer and just go ahead and use my little spatula to go ahead and work in that remaining flour. This dough is so extremely soft and sticky, but it's good. You want a slightly sticky dough, okay? See, this is how it looks right here. Now it's time to knead it. So I'm going to just add me a little bit of flour to my work surface here and spread it on out so the dough won't stick to it. I'm going to plop my dough right onto my little work surface here. And now the fun part, kneading is, yeah, I like this part because when you get the knead dough, you like really get to feel it and become like one with the dough. Yes, it's so fun. Go ahead and knead it for about 5 to 6 minutes, just until it is nice and soft. And you don't want it to be too dry, but you don't want it to be sticking to your hands either. That right there, that is perfect, nice and soft. All right, so I have my bowl here. I got some oil in it. I'm going to place this in the bowl and just kind of flip it just to get it coated in oil. Then I'm going to cover it up in plastic wrap, and then I'm going to place this into my oven with the pilot light on, or any other warm location. I like putting it in my oven because I just like it. Okay, here it is. It has doubled in size. That is really doubled in size. So I'm going to go ahead and take this plastic wrap off and punch it down. Get all the air out. It's so soft. I love the way it feels. I know I keep saying that, but I really do. Okay, now we're going to divide the dough into 10 equal little balls. You might can get 12, but I usually do 10 because I like my buns to be kind of big. We make big burgers in my family, so this is the size that I like them. I don't want no little flat, small, skinny, wimpy buns. I like them nice and thick, just like this. So you want to go ahead and just press them out, kind of like a little patty. Just press them out just like that, about a ½ inch thick or so, and place them onto your pan. I have lined it with parchment paper, and I've also greased it so it is ready to go. Next, I have some egg mixture. I'm going to brush this over the top so that they get that nice brown golden color when we bake them. And then I'm going to sprinkle them with a little bit of sesame seed, make them all cute and pretty and stuff. That looks wonderful, just like that. Okay, so now that we have them on the pan, I have them about, I say maybe like 3 inches apart. You want to place them. Go ahead and bake them at 400 for about 12 minutes. I like to put the oven on toast at the last few minutes just to kind of help them brown up and get all crusty on the outside. And that is it. Place them on a cooling rack to finish cooling off. And now you have some homemade hamburger buns, perfect for all those grilled burgers, that pulled barbecue chicken. It is the bomb. And here is the inside, nice and fluffy on the inside and nice and crusty on the outside, just the way I like it. Perfect texture for burgers. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos later.